So they containing the hydrophilic head outside this micellar and hydrophobic tail inside this micellar. So when this detergent is used for removing the dirt, so dirt part is being what, organic part, oily part, so it gets trapped inside this cavity. Here certain cavity is going to form, so this dirt or the oil part is get trapped in this cavity so that it get removed. Okay, so this is the action of our detergent. Okay, so detergent mainly containing the this sodium lauryl sulfate, and we need to find out the exact concentration or the at particular concentration its action is quite superior. Okay, so we just need to find out that particular concentration. We just called it as a critical micellar concentration. Okay, so for this particular experiment we will be requiring following instrument, that is the conductivity meter. So conductance is going to measure during this experiment. So again we will require conductivity cell, conductivity water, that is distilled water, then 0.02 molar aqueous sodium lauryl sulfate solution, and 0.1 molar potassium chloride solution. Why we will require this potassium chloride? In order to standardize and to determine the cell constant of given conductivity meter. Okay, so we all know that how to determine the cell constant and what is the use of that cell constant, like we have already seen for this conductivity meter. So we'll directly see the procedure for that this particular experiment. So we have been provided with this standard solution of 0.02 molar sodium lauryl sulfate solution. So from this stock solution we need to prepare this 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, 9 into 10 raised to minus 2, 8 into 10 raised to minus 2, up to so on, zero point 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 molar solutions of sodium lauryl sulfate. Okay, so this sodium lauryl sulfate or SLS solution is quite okay soapy one. So it will form the foam when we will try to like make this solution. So one precaution that we need to take is to avoid large amount of shaking for this solution, otherwise it will form the unset level amount of foam, so experiment get lengthier. Okay, so when we are performing this experiment we generally tend to avoid the shaking of the solutions. Okay, so that is the one precaution with them we have to take during this experiment. So once we have prepared these solutions, simply we need to measure the conductance. First we need to determine the cell constant. So how will you determine the cell constant? By measuring the specific conductance of 0.1 molar KCl, and then taking the ratio of that conductance at particular temperature to the specific conductance at that particular temperature. So by using that we can determine the cell constant for the given conductivity cell. So once we have determined the cell constant, we just make the measurements or the observation by concentration of that particular sodium lauryl sulfate solution, and we just measure the conductance for um, that particular solution. Okay, so likewise we will get the 9 reading. Okay, 4 5 to 9 reading we will get for the all 9 solution. Next is to determine the specific conductance. How will you find out that specific conductance? We just need to find out the conductance multiplied by cell constant, that is B. Okay, so by using that formula we can determine the specific conductance, okay, which is determined by sign of kappa. Okay, K. Then next is to determine the molar conductance, that is lambda m. How will you find out that molar conductance? So molar conductance is nothing but thousands of K upon C. Okay, this is the formula for molar conductance, and last observation is the square root of C, that is the square root of concentration. So calculate the molar conductance lambda m of each solution, then plot the graph of K versus, that is specific conductance versus concentration, and molar conductance versus square root of concentration. So by using the two graphs we will get the critical micellar concentration. So likewise we will get the graph of conductance or the specific conductance versus concentration. So this concentration where we get the drastic change in the conductance of a solution is nothing but the critical micellar concentration. Okay, so this critical micellar concentration of this sodium lauryl sulfate can be expressed in terms of millimoles per dm cube. Okay. So around 4 to 5 millimolar per dm cube is the critical micellar concentration of the expected result for this particular experiment. Okay, so here we are using the conductivity cell. So this is being the instrumental type of experiment. Okay.